If you're a homeowner in Florida, here's 3 things that you should do that cost you under $1,000 each, just to make you a little bit more prepared. Number one, get somebody to blow in insulation. All right, have blown in insulation in your attic. It's going to keep your utility bills lower. It's going to keep it cooler when you want it to stay cooler, hotter when you want it to stay hotter. Number two is buy yourself a generator, and do it now before hurricane season gets here, because the stores will sell out, especially when the news starts saying all this stuff. Oh no, here comes a hurricane. Third thing is go buy a window unit and just stick it in your garage. If you happen to lose power for 24 hours or 24 days, you're going to want some air conditioning. You're going to be thankful that you did that if you lose power for a few days. And you can do all those things for less than $1,000 each.